Hello YouTube, how's everyone doing out there? Thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Leo, and if some of you on Facebook are watching this as well, I really appreciate it. You can swing by my channel and get more. So obviously if you're here, you think outside the box, and that's what this is right here. This is for some motivation on what is going on right now in our world, I should say. It's pretty bad, so we have to be creative. And this creativeness on this video is about ebooks. So stay till the end, and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started right here. In case you haven't heard of E-junkie, E-junkie is a website platform that you could post your ebooks, and it's pretty simple. When you sign in, all you do is you can integrate with Facebook or your Google account, or you could just sign up, whichever you choose. It's pretty simple. It takes not even a full minute. Just click a few buttons and you're there. And the reason I wanted to show you this website, I'm gonna get rid of my mug down here for a second. And I actually typed in E-junkie into similarweb.com. Now you can get this extension. It's free. It's down here. It will pop up right here. And just kind of wanted to show you the global ranking is 96,642. Country rank 33, 945, and then traffic overview. This is where it gets the good stuff at. Now this is a total visits per month. It doesn't show this. It doesn't say 4 month here, but it does in the extension. I'll show you that in a little while. So they get a lot of traffic to this website, and most of it's United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Spain, and Germany. So then you go down to the bottom. You usually get direct or referrals, social, then search. And then down here, it's pretty interesting. In case you're looking for other websites to get traffic from, potentially, maybe you could get some ad space or something. You could go to these right here that send traffic directly to E-junkie. 96.44% organic, 3.56% paid traffic. So they get a lot of organic traffic. A lot of people just come here. So you can download this PDF, which I might do that later. But as for this video, let me show you the extension. So I'm just going to log in here real quick. Go to the dashboard. And this is the extension right here. It's pretty simple. And this is where it shows you monthly visits, which was the same number on the other one, but this one just says the words monthly visits. So that's a lot of potential right there on monthly visits for you could get your knowledge out there, be of value to others. And that's what many people go to books for, right? To pick up knowledge that they haven't came across yet. And there's your book right there to help them out. So you can play this video right here. It'll explain what to do, and I have my microphone in, so I can't hear it. Maybe you all can hear it, but you could go to this web. It's only like a minute and 38 seconds, and bunch of options are on this side on what you can't do. This video right here will explain the 3 steps to continue your process. So you could also become an affiliate. Expired links, resend emails. Okay, you can become an affiliate. I'm not an affiliate for this website. I'm just I'm using it. There's still some stuff in beta features. Beta means that it's still kind of they're working it out. They're getting there, but it's on the go. So when you go in here, you go to edit profile. I'm not going to go in there because for this video I actually put some information in there. But when you go in there is what it asks for, your email address. The email address that you use for PayPal. If you do not have a PayPal account, go to paypal.com and make sure you use the password, not the password. Remember your password as well, but remember your email address, because PayPal, a website like this will send it directly to PayPal so you could get paid. So let's add the product. And to add the product, I want to show you the product that I'm going to add. And this is PDF down here. Prior to this video, I put this PDF in there, so there's going to be a few little spots that I'm not going to dive all the way in, but I will explain it. So this book right here, it's about real estate. That's why I got all these buildings and stuff like that, where we live on land. So it has the table of contents. It's a pretty long book. And inside here, I have my product that I'm promoting. Now this product, they really can't buy nothing at the end. It's basically, I'm introducing them to this product. So let me get my mug off of here so you can see it. So everything I put right here is about this product. If you need to attack your mortgage, your auto loan, student loan, or any other debt, this right here will do. So they go in here, they put their information, and if you are on Facebook watching this, you could go to my profile. There is a link in there. The same link I have in there is right here as well. And like I said, there's nothing to sell. All it is for them to get their PDFs. They're going to get to some solid content videos, and then I could follow up with them later, or they could call me, or we can move forward. So this is the product that I'm promoting inside of this ebook. And then other than that, if they don't want to do that, they could just read the ebook, and they can watch it on their phone. It's going to be mobilized to their phone, their iPad, their desktop, their laptop, whichever they choose. So that book's there. And once that product is going to be added, it's going to go right here. Let's see, we're going to put it for $8. It's going to be a digital delivery. So that means it's going to be a single file download. So you want to make sure this is checked. Download, redirect, link issued after each sale will be valid for 5 attempts. Okay. I'm not even going to mess with that. I'm going to leave it as is. But down here, I want to thank them. Always proofread before you submit it, because you might get a couple words wrong. Your finger might slip. Thank you for your purchase. And then you let them know just to enjoy. And then after that, you have everything in there. Then you're going to submit over here. Then this is where you upload your file. So I would upload there. I would choose. It's on my desktop. It's right here. Then I would hit open. It'll bring it in there. It'll say it's been uploaded, and then you could close. I already uploaded it prior to this video, but it's there. And then you can, if you like, you can share it. You could copy the link, put it somewhere, share it later. You could open it to check it out. And if you have a WordPress website, you could copy these HTML button codes, copy them, go to your WordPress website. I think most likely you would go to settings, look for your HTML in there, paste it in there, and then you can sell a bunch of your ebooks right off your own website. Now, before you do that, you want to make sure your website is getting traffic. You want to make sure that you have the right plugins. You have, I don't know whether you're advertising on AdWords or Bing, whatever. but you want to make sure that you're getting traffic to your website. There's a few plugins that work really well. You use the right keywords, the right tags, the search engines will pick up your website. And back to this website right here. So a few things you could go in there. You can manage your products. If you want to go in there and change a few things, you just go to manage products. You can add product, clone product. So it's basically the same 3 steps that it took me to. View download logs. There's a lot of stuff in here you can do, but just for this video, I don't want to take up too much of your time. It's a good spot. It's a good place where you could place your links, your ebooks, and potentially make some sales, because people are always browsing the internet, and on this website there's a lot of traffic. And like I said, I don't want to take up too much of your time. I already went through basically what this website could do, and I got a few more books to upload into here. And if you found value in this video and anything, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe button, notification. I am going to be making a lot more videos as well, and I do have some already made. I have a card around this video somewhere, and it'll take you to another place where you could post some of your ebooks as well. So to all you out there, be safe out there, and I'll see you later. Have a good day, good night, bye.